Hello traders, and welcome to another Bitcoin price prediction video. So what I see in Bitcoin right now is that we are in a fifth wave. One note before we begin, discount this tail right here. This tail only occurred on Gemini. This tail did not occur on other exchanges, so I would not recommend putting this tail into your account. All right, let's get started. So why I said this was an extended fifth wave. We see a first wave here, a second wave here, a third, and then we have a fourth wave here. And the reason I counted these as I did was if we use the orthodox low here, not the unorthodox, but this one that showed levels of support, we have a 61.8 here. And if we do that same thing here, we see that we have around a 38.2 here. And if we use orthodox level of support, it's exactly on the 38.2 retracement. Also, we can see that this wavelength is equivalent to this wavelength. So wave 1 equals wave 3. And whenever two waves equal each other in magnitude, typically the other wave will be an extension. So that's why I think Bitcoin's in a extension right now. And in this extended fifth wave, typically what you see is this right here with the fifth wave extension, with this being 0.618 of this magnitude. You can also think about this as like origin to wave 3. That's 1, and then bottom of wave 4 to the end of wave 5 is going to be 1.618 of this. It's the same thing. Just imagine this is 1.618, the magnitude of this. And if that is true, then the number that we're looking at for the next major level of resistance where we turn into a downtrend would be around 6,050. And how I got that calculation was I used this level of orthodox support up to this level of orthodox resistance, and I did 1.618 times that, and then I added that to the low here of that 38.2 retracement. And that's how I got that $6,000 resistance mark. So that's what I think. I think that this wave 5 is going to end at around 6K. Within this wave 5, we should see another 5-wave pattern, a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 within it, where we see the first wave, which unfolds in 5 waves, and then the second wave, which unfolds in 3 waves, and then the third wave, which is typically the strongest within those 5 waves, to unfold in 5. The fourth wave unfolds in 3, and then the last fifth wave unfolds in 5. If we go to a quicker time frame, we can see that here too, with this fifth wave here. And this fifth wave looks very strong. This first wave of the fifth wave looks very strong. And it looks like that initial 5-wave pattern of the first wave is probably going to end at around the 5K mark. I'd say around 49 to 5K is probably going to be the end of wave 1 of wave 5. Because that's where you're going to see some major resistance, and then you might see a 61.8 retracement for your wave 2 of wave 5. So yeah, that's what I think is going on with Bitcoin right now. It is very interesting, though, that Ethereum is showing some major divergence where this morning Ethereum tanked to think about 7%, where Bitcoin went up around I think like 4 or 5%, which is really interesting that Ethereum's going down and Bitcoin's going up. But that is very bullish for Bitcoin and so-so for Ethereum. It could be interpreted in a lot of ways. So yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. I'm looking around 6,000 to 6,100 for my next price target for the end of this bull run of Bitcoin, and then the beginning of a massive bear run for Bitcoin that should last a few weeks. So yeah, I think that there are a lot of great trading opportunities if you want to take advantage of this extended fifth wave. That's gonna be it for this video. If you have any comments, questions, concerns, leave them in the section below. Thanks for watching.